Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge the device above 50%, use the original cable, and have a PC ready. This prevents mid-process failures. Next, enable USB debugging and OEM unlock and developer options when the system is accessible. If not, proceed anyway. Now power down and enter Color OS recovery using Power Plus volume down or with Fast Boot reboot recovery. Once done, the recovery menu loads. Make sure you can navigate with volume keys and confirm selections with power to begin repair steps. You now perform middle step repairs that actually fix corrupt recovery. First, pull important data with a DB pull or use ColorOS backup. Do this quickly but thoroughly. Then clear caches. Wipe cache and Dalvik to remove temporary conflicts, and only factory reset if other fixes fail. After that, prepare the correct stock recovery or full ROM OZIP for recovery install or signed fastboot image. Finally, flash the image using the appropriate command. A DB sideload, recovery install, or fastboot flash, so the boot chain is restored and verifiable. You finish by validating the repair and restoring user data. Reboot the device and confirm it boots normally and that you can re-enter recovery. Make sure network and apps load. Restore your backup and reinstall any missing apps or carrier files. If everything is stable, update to the latest Color OS build to prevent recurrence. If problems persist, here is one key troubleshooting tip. If you hit a boot loop, immediately re-enter fastboot and reflash the full stock firmware image. That replaces corrupted partitions and usually resolves boot failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.